again, because I'm searching again. Even though I fuck with your ways, even though your body they craze, no be for me, maybe I'm unlucky again. Nigga, my love. Oh, another one for my nigga. I'ma just call my dealer, my dealer. Nigga, I'ma call my dealer. Oh, another one for my nigga. I'ma just call my dealer, my dealer.
Hello, my dealer, come quickly. Come quickly, cause my case is degree. Hello, and anytime I find someone to love, she go do me why oh. And after me give her everything, she go break in my heart oh. You didn't say that the bad things I do. Bad things, yeah, I'm a go do. You didn't say that the bad things I do. Bad things, yeah, I'm a go do.
My love, oh, another one for my nigga. I'ma just call my nigga, my nigga, I'ma call my dealer. Oh, another one for my nigga. I'ma just call my dealer, my dealer. I just want one night of true love with my baby, hair on my chest. Early morning she give me love, and I wake up inside her bed. And the loneliness that they plenty because I know if I true love. Looking at my eyes and see, looking at my eyes and see, oh no. Nigga, I'ma cut my life. Oh, another one for my nigga. I'ma just call my life.
But it don't look for you. As you lose me, now you lose. And if I ever go choose this life for the next is not you. But now I see be you don't do me by you don't leave me go. If I see be I be spec and I know how you self, you know too. Cause you don't break my heart. Tell me say you don't go, leave me go. You don't lift my mind. Tell me say you don't go, leave me go. Early in the morning when I wake up, baby, with you I'm morning. And anytime I don't see you, I'll be running. I'll be a fool to go back to my ex-boyfriend. I'll be a fool to go back to my ex-boyfriend. As you be a tomorrow, anytime when you need me, I'll be right here beside you. You don't break my heart. Tell me say you don't go, leave me go. You don't lift my mind. Tell me say you don't go, leave me go. Early in the morning when I wake up, baby, with you I'm morning. And anytime I don't see you, I'll be running. I'll be a fool to go back to my ex-boyfriend. I'll be a fool to go back to my ex-girlfriend. See, I'll be good girl, bad girl. Anytime when you need me, I'll be right here beside you. So baby, would you call my phone? 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 I'll be beating in my life. Hold your jolly and sip some masana. As the beat see the drum, pam pam pam. No need to pay money, keep it falla. Problem is, but we still dey party. Live your life and don't watch nobody. Okafudidi, intimate so much even. Even if I owe you 2 million, I don't pay. Whatever it is, share that joy and feel the vibe. Whatever it is, forget your problems, make we dance. And then I'm over baby, oh. Whatever it is, any everything I have, oh.
On the dance floor, selector drop, shawty bang your door.
of them tipsy, some boys on whiskey. Shot yes, the ball. We the ball, till we fall. All your formation, no with the calculation. No change, the time of validation. If I'm a tell you what you know, no shaking. I ain't trying to location, that's a vacation. I ain't trying to location, I say I go vacation. No, we the ball, till we fall.
Cause I really got no time. We keep shining. What's my brand new name? What's my title claim? Africa east to the west, from the north to the south. What's my brand new name? What's my title claim? Enemies give a rest, and you say we are the best. I keep speeding. Cause I really got no time. We keep shining. We are the ghetto tycoon kings. What's my title club?
Hello Ghana, this is your voice Carolina and I'm tuning to Promotional Purposes.
What's my brand new name? What's my title club? From the east to the west, from the north to the south. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 star. Big man, not the Liverpool man lifestyle. I stock my money in a bank in a nice pile. Mama Tessa raised me to be a wise child. Them say, once bitten, be twice shy. What guy want to take my shine? Nice try. My pride no go make a life for another man to take my shine. Every ghetto you deserve a chance to shine. You see, this is how it's set to be. Man, I'm number one every day. So enemies let me be exactly what I am set to be. You see, this is how it's set to be. Man, I'm number one every day. Enemies let me be.
Say I want go to London, we go see where me
emotional. Bye, Miami, baby. Let me say, oh, yeah, me lady. Bye, Miami, baby. Let me say, oh, yeah, me dear. You do them fine. You two got them fine. Bye, Miami, baby. Let me say, oh, yeah, me lady. Bye, Miami, baby. Oh, yeah, me dear. You do them fine.
Loving you, girl, you can come from jail. You know how I'm come from jail. I need her like I need you. Oh, no, no. Oh, show her body down and come, my lover. Make her dirty you well with my love. La, la, la. And I say, for my bed lesson, baby, come on, good sin, good sin. No be passing, good sin, good sin. No be passing, good sin. Alhamdulillah, baby, lesson, good sin. Baby, come on, good sin, good sin. Come on, good sin, good sin. Come on, good sin. Alhamdulillah.
After you, I'm on a holiday. Bololo, now you be shocking me like Faraday. Oh, I know I like you. Oh, no. Baby, no need to shake your bum bum so sweet. I go lick you like it tum tum. Oh, girl, I need no one like I need you. I do. Make a shower, leave you go be my lover. Oh, yeah. Make a time in the beat, Casanova. If you ride it with me, you go be my rover. Me, I go show you, say me no because I know.
My bed lesson, baby, come on, good sin, good sin. No be passing, good sin, good sin. No be passing, good sin. Alhamdulillah, baby, lesson, good sin. Baby, come on, good sin, good sin. Come on, good sin, good sin. Come on, good sin. Alhamdulillah.
Baby girl, you know that me, I know that you like it. So don't make me a patient dog for no reason. But she Jensen, emergency, even Nelson, no compare to you. Body banging, my motivation. Give you good love, my appreciation. It's a good sin, no complication. You just shock me like fine wine. Now I did for you this time around. You probably to scatter my mind with your waist. Oh, nah. Tell them other girls to say. Tell them other girls to say. It's how we waiting for the both of us already. So no they disguise.
Have a blessed day.
Style on a hater flexing at you. Put on for my kings and queens, but only find the time for the queens. And come up here and help you. If it ain't money, nigga, we ain't cool. By the way, I like the Henny with the colors. So I had the landlord that can fill it with the key. Nowadays, whole city go crazy when I drop that fire. Oh, bitches blowing up a nigga phone. I don't need that. Hey, you know I mean that. A boy focused on the motherfucking ground like a villain. I see money about out there when you know I'm to be chillin'. Still ballin', worldwide with it. Still till it to the ceiling. I honey, I'm really I can make a comment and come on head. Only one shilling, only one shilling. I woke up like holy shit, is that me? Look what I become, cause I stuck these up and said, motherfuck, what you thinking? And you don't gotta like the shit, but you watch it. I know they watch it. And don't it make sense that your girl already been on top of me? Now hold up, walk with me. Another bottle, better pop it. Yeah, the third stripes in the club, they know a nigga solid. So what you mad for? Can a young nigga live? Do me don't stop. Real kings vibing when the 8 is down. Major track. In the club and the bar.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl First Carolina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
Adwuma-Adwuma. Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti. What's it? Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti. What's it?
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
All the rush when you get to the yem. Me your girl for phone to reach you the yem. Washing or return the yem. But I'm sleep primary to me late. I can't time my me didn't you me do the chi. My me a belong to long buffet. And a better for one man who know grass who you now want to feed.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Wait. For no first minutes, na me share chinchimi. No wabo konyo shit intimi. Obi etu den so amedo ma mintibi. Papa wo na na ewu mpo ma ne finger dibi. Fresh boy, men kase de bia na bonyo. Me tempum one, ne hwama ide omo. Yolo, one na ne girls nya anye kolo. Perfume ashe ne ma ne pa hye do obolo. Papi kojo, I'm in the men's sada. I'm a stand up guy into mint na da. Nyame de mu musu de minchi ya da. Mumbo bianti minchi ya da. What? Chele mam, brune mam. Ehu dem girl na rene mam. Bet she rush me chest rene mam. I feel a me girl she won't come. Why late? Out kids. Bad believing star my great. Can me swag the band my taste. Can me watch for what time I late.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
All the rush for you kids on the yem. Me your girl for phone to wish you on the yem. Washing or written the yem. But I'm sleep primary to me late. I can't time my me didn't Jimmy do with you. My me a belen to one buffin. And a better for one man who know grass who you now want to feed. I'm in the men's sada. I'm a stand up guy to mint another. Yami de musu de minchi yada. Mumbobia, minchi yada. What? Chelama. Them girl now, really.
You know, you be the one way you done wrong. So baby girl, I ain't tryna waste no time, yeah. Chill, I'm a fine wine. I'm a fine wine. Yeah. And girl, you be fine wine. I'm a fine wine. Yeah. I'll make a call 911. Make a call 911. Oh, I'm so fine, yeah. I'll make a call 911. Pick up all of it, baby, you my remedy. If I do the comedy, I be you go laugh aloud. You hot like this, I'm away, we know. Give it to me more, I want it more. Baby, you're the cool, come and give me fire. If I hold the mic, make it take you higher. She the best for my baby, no the tire. She want more. See your virginity ready for back, yeah. One mama care what me Jenna, Katrina. That means that's what we want, trailer for Manila. We say where you fine, wine. They say me woman here to the side, wine.
You got me tripping like a fool, baby, oh man. No doubt, Biggie never lie like me. Cause I never like I no go find time, blow your head, oh. I go fit to make you want to run. Me, I go fit scatter everywhere. In another life, you are my babe. And I no go like to ever live. Every other life, girl, I go there. Whenever you are, girl, I go live with you, baby. Don't drop me. I'm okay that you want something from. Don't drop me, oh yeah. Only you there on my soul. You make it just a little night. You make it just a, oh no. Just to lose my night. Oh, you make it just a, oh God. The way you make I love you too much, I swear. If you leave me, go over you. If you try go, you go try on too. Now asylum go be your best friend. You go take patience for asylum. If you leave me, go over you, baby. If you try go, you go try on, baby. Now asylum go be your best friend. You go take patience for asylum. Baby, I swear, I know you know that I don't care. Whatever happen, okay, don't care. If your love will be the death of me, no more than I say. Don't spare me, babe. Don't spare me, babe. No comprehend how babe. I say everything will fit turn out great. In another life, you are my babe. And I don't go like to ever live. Every other life, girl, I go there. Whenever you are, girl, I go live with you, baby. Don't drop me. I'm okay that you want something from. Don't drop me, oh yeah. Only you there on my soul. You make it just a little night. You make it just a, oh no. You make it just a little night. Oh, you make it just a, oh God. The way you make I love you too much, I swear.
Say Baba, say.
Say, pam pam, pam pam, pam. Say, aye. Say, Baba, say, hey, pam pam, pam pam, pam. Bamande. Sika mi di na mi di mi bamande. Sika mi di na mi brei. Minyanka meko Seba. Oh, hey. Oh, abrani mi di akwo. Yeah, bamande. Bro, na mi here way. Bro, na mi here wa. Bro, na mi here way. Eva, pam 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 pam. That's right. So wonderful music, beautiful music from episode, and of course it features Sun Trophy Band on this one because this one, Onyame Bra, beautiful Ghanaian music, high life, authentic one. I will bring that song back again. I mean, I love every bit of this song, all the elements, everything on this song. I just love it. So 42 minutes after 10, folks, I hear 93.3 FM. You need song here. And now for your Friday, say I'm near Kono. When you say Friday, will be answering the two phone call. I mean, I love Fridays. You know it already. I don't need to be telling you every day. Good morning once again. 43 minutes after 10 in case you just tune in. Tune in to the best mid-morning here in the Enclave. From Kobina Costi. Branting part the perfect gentleman. Show produced by Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Shabo, the swag man. And that's why I drip it our bicycle seats. And our ball hoodie. And our dinner. Our ball hoodie lemon green. Our bonnet jeans come on, our bonnet cake. I quite alive. Shabo dress him in your camera, you pan, so for me, continue. A brand new media. Man, bro, let me hear way. Bro, let me hear wa. Bro, let me hear way. Bro, let me hear wa. Pam pam, chee, pam pam. There we go, pam 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 pam. You see, sometimes, Sanayana, we are sitting here. My guy, Unya bench here with the movie. My boy, Unya Brabas here. What's over the movie? Unya Elantra, in fact, Unya mechanic be crowd with you. Anna, maybe I need a woman. My guy, Unya who die. Ah, now to Unya toss out him. Eh. Any panyo. As a viewer, Honya mechanic grow with him. Maza. Oh, jai, obi patos at them. Mamencha, once again, you are same can. We are Ochikabe. Oh, Chihundai. Oh, Chitoyeta. Oh, Chi. But Uchi Benz away or the Benz. Oh, was already. It's a mimi atos in there was Mimi Jinem. Mimi Tim in the Jinem.
Life or Muso, Casnang Organ. Beautiful be them.
Maybe I need them in dream.
Or they did them.
Oh, wait, go tree Camry. Oh, tree Hyundai. Oh, tree Sonata. Oh, we tree Elantra. Tree way or the Benzim. Wait, what that gym wagon? Wait, child. Me. Oh, there be. Me dream car on. Me, I don't like Benz like that too. Me, shut down that Benz. There be. Me, pay Benz. No. Car me pen, corner search it. Your friend will Chevrolet Camaro. Me, that's it. I mean, this car, I don't know. Anytime I go see in pictures, there's something to do me. I don't like Benz. Honestly, I don't like Benz. Hey, they.
Civic,
yeah, Camaro, no, Honda Civic.
Open the two, yeah.
What's up, me petrol too? Oh, me too much amra. Oh yeah, I know. Oh, Nasanya Honda Civic TV and she will let Camaro. Wow, you know. Yeah. Hey, Charlie, Sabo episode, no, yeah, can you na? are Kenyan. Family calling you. Do you know the price of Chevrolet Camaro? Go and check it. No, check it right now. Oh, Famicom for now, there's a Famicom in you. For now, dear. Okay, baby. Charlie, me pay OGD, no. Me pay OGD. I will hold by ABB. ABB. Ampa. And your money will be and your movie. I was and then Friday. I mean, let's have fun on radio. This is how we run things on the radio each and every Friday. Again, your friend coming across the same year first on 0533898915. You can also join the show live on the Facebook. Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Echina, a Saturday, and I'll say Nechi, a Sunday. Yechi, you're going, Shabu. Sunday, you're going. You're going, manager fee. Fufu. Wow, on pet Sunday and bed Juma. It's what on bed Juma Sunday, and you'll be as if. Opa, da, sorry, I said that. Sorry, I said that. Obian check you be. There be. Right, my mama feel like we now face and you shitty with you, no. And our party never shall see until. Ever shall party nas in Tempai to my main Kyle say Nakopon a Adwuma 25th May. Bibi Bekoso. But in the meantime, I'm fine. Check as and fan come. I'm not feeling the sound though. My friend Jack is here and come Mr. Orbin. Halfway encore Emma Fosti of Sanford's Ventures. Good morning. Good day, so here. And also a big good morning and come Mr. Chumashi Colonel Fashion. Good morning. I said if when you name back up a Salumu de Gambia. And I'll say Mr. William Beck, Penesoma me. Good morning and come on. I'll say check us here so and come yeah. Nash, watching my Sally with Duma say good morning. You did say Bibi Aboko. Now, me sound fine. Check us up and call for my Nanayao. I feel naturally beauty salon, Bramike, where Carpentany, where SDA Johnson, Mama Hannah, on the Bramike, and I would the same. Okay, we can the same day. Almost the same sport, right? Aha, Tino Bedruano. Now, Mama Vide, Mama Hannah, or the girl singing we check a call, now we Bojim, now we Pama de Mercy, and you have 4 people on one. I saw me and Tavo. Almost said two. A Jagger says, Mama Vide, I will jubilee Bridget or so. Mama, I know Pim Giddy is here. Parties go these seasons. I said that beauty salon, Lizzie's fashion. Emmanuel Amauga, I want to say. Jaji wa company Junction, DJ Lion, quality fashion. I know pay me chamungina. Madam Pat, Madam Maggie, Madam Vera, Nana Joa Moa, Chamadan Government Hospital. Good morning. Have a wonderful day. Let's see, and I send a hit with you know. And ever shop party nothing tell. It's right, my man will say Calvary Methodist Church. And I'm feared, you know, 20 years. 20 years, Calvary Methodist Church. The last time someone was telling me, say, kind of Calvary. A kind of Calvary. So, Calvary Methodist Church. And on the 20th anniversary, so I chim Odan Diocese Bishop Right to Reverend Isaac Kwame Boateng and the late chairman, Brother Dr. Isaac Danso, very Reverend Kingsley Safo Kwateng, Senate Secretary, Minister in charge, Reverend William Boache Sapon, and leaders of the church, together with the congregation of the Calvary Methodist Church, invite all to our 20th anniversary celebration, which is themed Discipleship, celebrating 20 years of the goodness of the Lord and growing into Christian maturity. So activities on that day, a float, be careful town. Yani momome, aye tonom ye retwe momome ama Christo asafo. Mo Yesu mo, I just say Yesu wa bebre on 25th May no, a Saturday. Na me admech na na otwemwa. I am street of Achimodani and Nanikosia, that's on a special Thanksgiving service. I am so our Calvary Methodist Church behind Duke's Filling Station at Chimoda and upon Nibashasi, Chairman Obetina Guem, a Honorable William Akwesi, a Japan Kwetu, Speaker Nia Obekasa, Jimedinasi, as your right Reverend Isaac Kwame Watson, Minister in charge, and I want to yet to inside the after one, a Honorable Nanaya was Safamafo, Honorable Alex Akwesi Aqua, Honorable Victoria Edu NFA or Brimpong Jemfi Safo out Tosumienu, Wono NA Kronti Hin Kotoku traditional area. Oba Mama Father in your fita or hanky bibia. I just say white na Bekaya Hona Calvary Methodist Church. Yeah, boom. He say come one, come all to join us, praise the good Lord. Bra, na ye boom na ye ma eradi ding so. Na ye mushampa, oye na doye enso ewo hoda. Nyame adom so a 22nd May, a Wednesday, nyame adma next week. And you made 5 p.m. We share an hour chim asene NYC pub. We share a Promotional Ahenkan FM. We share na NYC pub. Ewa achim asene Erisa Kwine so asene Erisa Road. We about to share the giant screen no ebeba ho be mounted giant screen pa. Ni abehwe Europa League final no between Atlanta FC and Bayer 04 Leverkusen. Na just yehu ni obewini anase de obej fat trophy no mombe kan na yehwimbo mu na yema ni gye nye double e wo ho what you say maka cho say any gye ni dey very packed ye de ba fully packed any gye any de bremo me sure channel so opese wo book table there na wa friend designer that was 0544102810 0544102810 now 55 into 10. And then a party after party. Shower is ready. Myself and the rest of the team. You crowd or you ready. You train. You do someone's why ready, alright? Just that easy you for not give you more lights. You can't say doom saba, be muse one tiase. Say you can say do saba ebi mu say word sa mo to ebi mu say there bi anyum na me de pa I can say do saba that mama vida Sunday anopa but the Sunday Sunday na our shop I say mama I didn't want kwa sorry o see you for do me light o nkofo so adwuma gumi so a into endra the whole day na me light it's na no pay my bedroom me I'm say hey easy you for man of one kwa sorry o kwa sorry padi chairman dey obi baji na tade e dey go school it's not just say o say sorry na o kan you see there be o and that obi because say I am making the government unpopular and I'm say my friend me don't bring that your politics to my doorstep so me I don't like that oh I then I me make say me I don't care whether it is MPP or it is NDC. Me, I don't do politics. You know me. You know I don't do politics. They say me can. I don't care whether you say I am making your government unpopular. Am I the one to make your government unpopular? Your government now they make them about you unpopular already. Are they not offering light? I won't do light. We they see. Say we are people not complaining? Are people not saying dollar no kwana ekosoro? Am I the one to make your government unpopular? Right, so my father dose of motivation is FM real quick for now. Very quick information. So you see, we all have problems. The way we solve them is what makes us different. We all have problems. The way we solve them is what makes us different. Where the I bet see the American years we MPP NDC only now our problems. MPP were problem kasiapa. NDC is a problem kasiapa. But the quite million before so solve problems. And the bank of what about 9 years. If MPP is able to fix things, people will vote for them. If NDC comes to power and they are able to fix things, people think, oh, they've done better. People will still maintain them. So be our problem was as is. So everyone has problem, but the way we fix it or the way we solve it makes us different. So that I say. So this is what we're talking about today. Today. See, we all have problems. The way we solve them is what makes us different. Obi problems so soon will be there. Also, there so soon will be there. But send you handle with the no, send you solve with the, send you see for control with the no, and then a man would dance and a man would dance, a man would dance. What I say? A man would dance. And for after problems be bremu, I'm going to survive it. But we face our problem, we survive it. It means you are different. You use a different technology, a different mindset, and a different skills to solve that problem. It happened in Ezekiel 37. So many people had went down the valleys, they never came back. But when Ezekiel went there, he was able to survive. What I say? Son alive on it here. Son alive on it here. Nia obi fe me bubu nu nkyerɛ sɛ wo fe me be bubu. Listen. Nia obi fe me bubu no nkyerɛ sɛ wo fe ma e be bubu. No. Wo betimi afem, you will come out, you will survive. Eno ma wo dance. Eno ma wo dance. That is the difference between you and other people. They couldn't survive, they couldn't make it because omo use some different techniques. I will use the same old style. But when it was your turn, when it got to you, you were able to maneuver yourself through certain things, and you became a conqueror. So obi our problems, but how we solve them makes us different. How we solve them makes us different. How we solve our problems makes us different. So free and economy, face your challenges, face your problems with a different mindset, with a new mindset, with something different, and you will conquer, you will survive, you will make it. My main time home rush is here. Buy to us. My catch us on Friday party or party on party. Ah, my boss is here.
Mafili, esana chile. How ye guy? Minya, baby, I obetina jiwani. I was so mejo. And we here level 360 pop on kwa. And now ubenya sa ultimate experience no. Level 360 pop. E be na pon ato hama. Obi opeso ye birthday. Obi opeso ye graduation. Metre empon ho. Ana empo birthday biano. Bra. Siketwie bi anim. Na emom obeton sawa ha. Football games biaso no. Bra. Na behwe ye was secure car park. Jack, ye security airtight. Ye wa mantra top ha. Twitter phone mu ha. And I be level 360 pop. Jack, no boys, no girls. Munina, mon brani engi ni. Besre fre 0540 535777 0540 535777. Na jinche mu achimi level 360 pop. Ebe ma ultimate pop experience.
So Famukro, na yaru be to muntum kra. Yesu bebrebe, ya besi mu yi ana.
Bra kwesi, me kunu pnia na epne se memfa ni nkɔ ne krom o. Ko ni malaria tete ne dodo.
Oh, Ava one herbal capsules and a mixture. Ebubu yare go for me monte. Enem de ade asiemu. Se ba no koko yare ade a edura ohia ne Ava one herbal capsules. Ebu adwuma pa. Na na mixture me kira Ava one herbal mixture so de. Malaria suro no kokokoko. Etu malaria se. Wenu mu ato. Awana de o. Umpo mu ayemre. Bobobi. Modosu Nyana drugstores and herbal shops. Jomo number 055-44-80062. Avano ye ALVA. Edru Nyama Penfo. Nyoma ni Benufo. Ene abufra ondi fie dumien. Oya malaria test. Nasa ye positive. Wedrani ava one herbal mixture. Wakimoda open dudu etua. Ubehu omo pepiase ampedu. Omo Akim State College. Junction neso. Abu Main Road neso. Ubenye biswato wa 14 drugstore. Kenop Pharmacy. Ochiniba drugstore. Akim Swedoso. Bosume Pharmacy. Ena Chime Wisasu KB drugstore. Ava one herbal capsules. Nene mixture. Peking crime. FDA. Aji ejedi enkratoyatu.
Asa na de fia e hwampao.
Ha, eye ban 20 enama efia ehwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eye JA Binding and Co Limited. En wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ne se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nanse nkwada nyoma ania te se wan. Eye parazo enu ana me disie.
Medo, me fam fitira apoto bi de ni na afro. Na ade ba de na wo de ahụhụrụ pụtụ bi dị isi.
Eya akasha anụwa na mede etu apụpụ bibire nyina se no bia papa pata asusu nyina eso atese wan no.
Na nsen awowo ni nyina mpayila. Uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi.
Medeta wo eya JA Binding Snake Repellent na mede etu o masesa no.
Enu omo wo niema papa.
Ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amede ma wahoro won se uhu ana. Ai enu aso na mede wohoro nchase mu nyina da.
Ene we die medi adanse akira mansan. Fa no mo wo.
JA Binding wo mo nioma no ubenya bi ato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabuase boga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo pani do so pomato a ubenya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso mudin ni body say
eye JA Binding and Co Limited.
Ja, me drew ho sesia.
Hi, your friend me foreman. Mejuma sweni enti obia pemasem. Sa wodi wajuma shamisa. Mesha se usika enko waste. Enti me tomenyo menyi na free jam trading enterprise. Mr. Mensa ana chairman Mensa nchen. Enti sa wope cement, gasem, diamond ana se simaf. Ningina ubenye bi ato Mr. Mensa ana chairman Mensa nchen. Open nadwa all inches, iron rods, 16mm to quarter rods, POP, plaster balls, kenoff, papa bi fiber set tinting anatetia opeshri barrels center panels corner moldings wall angles plywood bind wire ana empo opa bochire paint home champ big another small size ningina ubenye bia towo Jam Trading Enterprise Mr. Mensa anasa chairman Mensa nchen owaka many junction onijaji ene din hwenim friend 0208 123 872 ana 0244 566 880 Jam Trading Enterprise Mr. Mensana what's a bra na ne bono edit da form
I didn't realize her. Who Mr. Q ni bu ha fem me bi why. My wife do ogum anim ase no. Mr. Q dey say nya na. Take it easy. As obo fudodo. How can I take it easy? Ojam me bu saw. E ma san enu mu kunu atoka ama wo mo. Ne ma kotoka emro gam. Afa ni pedi machi ebe ye show. Wo mo nim ho a ifroba na no a. Enye de hia ni e. Ko pe me dure Mr. Q ni bi banom. Na me hu se me yo ba. Na man podi no bi fire wood. Edru de hia. Enu an se why ya me jo se de suo to no wa sore ko. Ojam we dia no odi o. Se da pe chapa ke. Na se oba no so di kan. How? Wo mo yiri ewiase da pade nyina. Na se do na de no da ho se fire wood a. Unya hwio. Kunlun Ghana Limited at Adwuma. What did Mr. Q? Abey. I didn't know what's out of and come no did our mean. Say what you say. Jibikonum a sa wako heba chemical and a pharmacy. Do also and wako Kunlun Ghana Limited.
Our down call LB Amuafu, the Netrumesi, Kennedy Drugstore, Well Green Pharmacy. Mama Doris was asking for soup. Francis Mesa was asking for soup. Frank and Daughter Pharmacy were Esukuma and Dobin Brakwa. Unable to afford Kulumpe for 0504 906665 and 0545 906665.
Thank you. Because you must say I like that.
FD ashoshe sa ejedi enkrato yi mu agya to mu se eye.
Asempepe bi amati oye. Asempepe bi amati offer oye
Yasem papa be na watia ofa oye yedi asem da no.
Oh menua eye HJ Africa domini CSR Ghana heya eno makabom eno ma me how to atwa nei metu sa nwum yo o makofa organic fertilizer ba eye wafuo ni ye esiesi asase epammoa na ma ono ba no eso doso
Kuafo ene fertilizer ho ye din yenya bi kura nto ebo no so ayetare
eno so tiri manije esanse offer kakra bi bottle ba ko 2 acres ebeye ne kama na besusu se doso eno ntina me bo ho dawro ediama Ghana kuafo nyina se opo ma kira kwan a from 055 5592707 and I say 050459446 any baby I talk ya hu nyoma bia
offer organic fertilizer as the papa bia ya tell offer oye
offer kakra bi su no ba no ebesu
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti. What's it?
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Feeling me. 11 make I make my wish tonight. I wish you never leave. I wish I had this beautiful girl, this beautiful smile. Always to myself, my city fine past Mona Lisa. Yeah. Make I put on the clothes, make I fight tonight. Anybody come my way to fight. Now you make I lose my life. Yeah. Risking everything, putting everything on the ice. Riding on the edge, fly you back to Cairo. I need somebody to stick with me through the sticks and stones. Don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me, 'cause I'ma end up in jail, end up in jail, end up in jail. I might end up in jail, end up in jail, end up in jail. I like it. Living your life.
Area. Weaver.
Yeah, no be Jamaica. Fire burn the enemy, oh. Now I'm making the paper. Ojan show Babylon fool. Only young person on ya, but if you buy the Honda, every day me daddy say it's a holiday. We dey do 'em every day where they insane. Yeah, some be a one master. Obi ane master. They for crowd master. Kennedy Japan bo master. Me ya master. If ya shama ti yelu su God. Me ya master. Ya match yelu su cap. For master. Tigana kosi Trinidad. Master. Oluwa be the only God.
The difference be say I am born to lead where you are born to follow. I be mafia yaron zongo. Me a they do they follow. Prepare them be the shit up. They be a for as a mu as a quinto. Are you my body go? My love no cut you and chico. I spread some
baby I need my Becca. My God be my provider. He be my protector. So I go higher. Yo baby I need my Becca. My God be my provider. He be my protector. So I go higher. Oh yeah. Me nyawo bi ampo boni. I don't do them anything. People say me another day. If you wish me well, I wish you well. Me nyawo bi ampo boni. I don't do them anything. People say me another day. If you wish me fire, then go to hell. Me nyawo bi ampo boni. I don't do them anything. People say me another day. If you wish me well, I wish you well. Eva, I still fight for the paper. Love me now, no be later. No be later. Eva, I still fight for the paper. Love me now, no be later. Yeah. Nana nyami kebi mama, kebi mama, kebi mama, kebi mama, kebi mama, kebi mama. Nana nyami be kebi mama, kebi mama. Nana nyami kebi mama, kebi mama, kebi mama.
say for the game, she no pitas. I decide bad mind from a distance. But this sweet happy, I love my pitas. Oh, Doguni Misha, show you the confirm for your speaker. This time I call drop 6 for assistance.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Kilometers. I don't come kilometers.
I'm into me cow. Some me call down into me now. Some me call down into me now. Sa, now come me closer. Messi see what I find out just a giant side. Sa,
let's go. Fuck boys, we no like cheap girls. But low key, we dey stalk them a page. We go like run, but we dey fear. Screenshots go fit pie, so we base. Fuck boys, loud songs we dey play. We won't feel more bass for the room. We dey stress old girl, but she dey. Prepaid, if we dey chill.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena What?
If you share Lukaku be the cause. So he pays, so rush we dey rush. But nothing with the game. Phone talk, pet with the course. If we meet and play with the bag. Fuck boys, we be fuck, we don't care. And we don't give a fuck till the end. Fuck boys, we be fuck, we don't care. And we don't give a fuck till the end. And we don't give a fuck, we don't care. Fuck boys, we don't like Hamatan. We go like go room for them all. No be say we dey like Galavant. Them all get some license, that's all. Fuck boys.
Adwuma-Adwuma.
Are you ready to listen, my Tony? Oh, yeah. Since I feel I know the love again. Yeah. Give me loving to the way she calling me love. Oh, yeah. She no go follow to the end. She no go follow to the end. She say loving another man. Yeah. Later today they will be going for lunch. Ah. No man go miss a lover man. Yeah. Say she know they feel my cocoa. She's calling the bunch. She's calling the bunch. Yeah. As I dey sleep, I be counting my ceilings. Oh my God, what I'm feeling. 21st century, so she go tell it to my face. Oh yeah, it's over. My baby say over. It's over. It's over. She dey tell me say over. 21st century, so she go tell it to my face. Oh yeah, it's over. She dey tell me say over. It's over. It's over. My baby say over.
Me see me pretty girl, why you do me so? Oh, that is sweetie, darling, I have fallen. Can't you see another feeling? I never told you no lie. Baby girl, why you do me so? Let's go. Why you say bye-bye?
I see you. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Can we do it together? You don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that vibe. Energy. You don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that vibe. Oh. You don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that vibe. Hey, let's go. You don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that vibe. Oh. Let's go. Hey, can we talk to you? Listen, let me go. Yeah. What be your story? Sorry. You don't get film. I said God could do.
Hey girl, are you aware your body better? You just can't make God look low. Hey girl, are you aware your body better? You just can't make God look low. Baby, come close and I'm a better one. Come close and I'm a better one. Baby, come close and I'm a better one. Come close and I'm a better one.
Let's go. Alipa, hold on. You go have to meet the family. I know what do you want.
sitting quiet. Some about the mono, one over the king, me are here. I last so the pressure mower, I am a down. One no, the pressure mower, I am a down. Last so, I'm in teen and I do. What can I do? Oh, okay, so you want to enter the picture. I just say, be a me penantie, Jetta, mini be. Yeah, I just say, be a me a pepper, Sigaya, mini be. Yeah, and I may pass a man and number, a man and I may did. Today, be a me with Promotional Purposes. I was a mere crown. Yeah, here I do. I am in Crabby and a free fear. Papa, I am in Crabby and a free fear. I drop me bra, and I said, do fear. Here I do. I am in Crabby and a free fear. Yeah, ni besi bia me se Samurai am tonum ni besi bia me se
the minister na nya ya so a just over him awo ye media ahomachi wudi wuti to me so a tona boarding na me bia e ke su mo mi so e lo bi ke mi bako e ke su mo ko don e to me against bako
you can't chase my life ever since she came out.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
See, baby, I go hold you. I keep your heart, girl, never let you go.
See, I'ma get things you do me. I know if you contain, I'm need to be me. You make a commit to crime, you could kill me shy. Oh, I see joy, I see grace, I see love, and I trust it. Not only you, I believe in. Oh, when I'm with you, I can feel it. Pretty butterflies in my belly. Oh, my little child, don't do this to me. Kilometer. If the road too long, we could be there. Baby, we could be there. Why you stood and doubt me, oh, my lady? After all we've been through, it ain't now shush. I wanna
no chaser. She won't give me something I know take if you know be you, they be my paper. Oh, paper. I know they fake no. Don't you ever say you wanna break up. Baby girl, you know one of it take Promise me before my press I celebrate that. Yeah. One thing I know is true love is in your eyes. Oh, yeah. Don't take me play the part of my life.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Yo, I'm on the chat shit. I love it. It means chumbi. Shoni and him naga dreaders like him. Yana wale. Why ya sing na ne food you that so say ho. Yana wale. Who is Queen Dunia when you see Kabi? Yana Wale. Debia. This one is to be a wedding. Yana Wale. Why I sing na ne food you da suti. Yana Wale. Who is Queen Dunia when you see Kabi? Yana Wale. Debia. This one is to be a wedding. Yana Wale. Match it. Now we are again about so but we're no yene. You did bring up the brain as still asset. Yonya what is up so we're not there. Obia to a drana. And now one on ya what is up so we're in the more because what for Massa. Okay. Why are there Panyamin Chiauka? Oh, you are this is Anamami. You are Posano Abasa. You know, the only man is on it. Why shall I be? No much can Namuchiko. Katayana Wale. Now when you Wale. Mawa form of the SK. A man that don't have it. Never down for catching this at it. On your boat to Madrid. Bye.
Dina day.
Forget the Argentina at the TV, baby. I made the Benjamin. And they are very unquestioned. Bobia, Numbia, Bobia, Tubia, Mobi, Fair. When your mamma mention me love, Yara coming too. So we the party order. I hand my baby and show you. Boom in the rabbit. Yara party all night. I hand my baby and show you. Boom in the paper.
Have a blessed day.
You don't need to be told, baby. Like I was screaming, run a little bound, run a little bound, run a little bound.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Cost. What?
Baby, I mean the mood that was it. That's right. 26 after 11 and 93.3 of how you all doing? Hey, we still not told you said their party though. It's going to be on a different level. But in the meantime, a happy birthday to my man Chris. Chris, it's your birthday today. Right, so he's an IT officer. He works at Tech Aid, my brother. Happy birthday. So this guy, this guy can call me at 12 a.m. and ask me of SS when I in this number. Say they won't do his masters. Hey, this guy, 12 a.m. I'm afraid. SS in this number. I want to do my masters. So hey, my guy, don't call me by this time again. Me mother. Crispa. So happy birthday to my brother, Chris. Yeah, I mean, this guy is an IT personnel. I mean, he's so good when it comes to IT. Yeah, he did computer science in university. Sometimes I the one that say, hey, this guy, Charlie, we will do computer science. He do his head like something to do computer science. Anyways, happy birthday to my brother, my G, Chris. Happy birthday. Oh, yeah, IT officer, our Tech Aid. I love you, my brother. Right, so it's already weekend, right? A big shout out to my brother, Nanaya Obey. Nanaya Obey. My brother, what's up? Hey. Right, so it's already weekend. And this is how we do the shows on Fridays. We warm up or we warm you up for the weekends. Your man appetite in the costume for the weekend. What they say. So in the meantime, let me introduce to you the best pub in town. I will be alcohol for weekends. And of course, that is level 360 pub. Level 360 pub. So level 360 pub, Sammy Busa say if you're looking for the ultimate spot to unwind and have a blast, then look no further than level 360 pub. I will meet you at Mantra Jubilee Hospital Road. So at level 360 pub, we've got it all when it comes to great music, delicious drink, and a lovely atmosphere that will keep you grooving all night. So whether you are celebrating a special occasion or just looking for a fun night out with friends, level 360 pub is the place to be. Our friendly staff will make sure you have an unforgettable experience, serving up your favorite cocktail and ice cold beers with a wide range of music genres, from the latest hit to throwback classic. Our talented DJ will keep the dance floor packed and the energy high. So get level to show off your moves and make memories that will last a lifetime. This is what we do at level 360 pub. So make it a date to pass through tonight. Have a wonderful time with your loved ones. Have a wonderful time with your family. Have a wonderful time without your side chick. That one we know loud down. So call us on 054 053 5777 0543 53 5777 at level 360 pop. Remember, the fun never gets stopped. Sheba. Sheba. Right, so this is a good news for the people living within our enclaves. I have a good news for you all. And the best news is that, or the good news is that, DVDI is happy to inform you that we have an opportunity for you to pick any home appliances. I mean, any electrical gadget of your choice. Pay half, and then the rest you can pay it within a period of 3 months weekly. So OD Media is ready for you all. Now OD Media, a shop for fra. I can kind of in fact a shop. Mami Chirebusa. OD Media, a shop. You be a police station. Kwan so on quantenum. It is a open TV, open air conditioner, open washing machine. Now, person would Tobia, would you see with them now? Also, this you know, is what about them were a shop. Bossu compare com. Ade. Ukra 3,000 air condition ibiato. It's be 3,500. If you cry 2,500, you cry Shabo de say. What can they say? 800 cedis. Hey! And a man about the more time upon 800 cedis air condition. I didn't call the Nibiana. They are more online even. Papa Jobra OD Media. Never to air conditioner. Papa. They are breathing in now. One was up. A chill up. I just a woofy. Over a year, Quantenuma police station opposite, and Obehu OD Media for 0550 600 0550 600. Now for you know, Emperor Prechinity Pa Mawili Fruit Tools Ventures. Yet the excavators of renting, yet the bulldozers of renting, and now for you the Kunyana canopies, no mattress near the renting. And you know, weekend away, you be an eye front squad in a bar. Boys from high school, boys from tertiary, or now buying baby, but then I have problem the amount. It's your mattress, you know, brah, nah, but baby, rented. Our Mauli Fruitus Ventures, your castle honoma, Yandiba deliver on your manama free. Your chum swabe at Chumwenchi, and to Brassea, nah, but baby, not Tanza. A part of our 0541470857 and 0207878889, 0207878889, 0541470857. Mauli Fruitus Ventures, we serve you the best. Now a draw ye. Mama yankan no draw ye. A draw the ayapa. And your fan form. I know pebe who are the be masters. That DJ zone to some why no. I suppose. Anyways, my mentor on the we are not free. Concert and quantity to groomer. A draw ye bar center. Ever solve your problems in through pure herbs. Your well qualified doctors and nurses and so on, malaria, power, sexual dysfunctions, STDs, gono white, syphilis, nyadina. Yadi, ebe tu yare ashe edi amao. Ete mesrao. Shedding so pan. Say yare tete wone pebi, unonkumbi, udofo bino. Anoko duro yeba center. Me patch your track on a Penny Junction. I watch you said requiring so Hanset Beauty Salon opposite pet. And I open who you for 05994117. I beg your pardon 0599419321. 0599419321. Hey, and I mean your name here, Reverend F. and Kansan Dimbo Mitruza. I don't know why. But daddy. Michiao say Obiso na eti can share Reverend F and Kansan send the back of na costi say uchiano. I don't know why. Me can't Penny Junction pe and a Reverend Diba me dream. Reverend ya Penny Junction na say mbobra biana. Me boy. Eti daddy. Hello baby, good morning. Baby I will be alo. So one tears no be 18 on can me papa. F in cancer. Send it back up in Asuchiano. Money found called on Cool Ventures. Me patrol wholesale and retail of Club and Guinness products. Alcoholic beverages. When you be at toy and chain. Soft drinks. Ningina when you be at toy and chain. You distribute Casa Precon products at the moment you pound on Potema. It is all tonic wine. Black Rock. Alombo K20 and a dry gin. And then the bobo me through the anya crowd. Let's talk on Cool Ventures na compensa. Kope bi fire program no. Yeah, was Sunny Star Plaza Bronx sign as one ma wa Jubilee Hospital client so. At the waiting near the come 0555 4869900 0556 252 668. right, so from Pawn Enterprise, Adwuma-Adwuma. Obiana upon the Amobia, Opasa Oban and Chamber Dija. Opasa Oba top provisions. Opasa Otto and your man, Ebo for Mr. from Pawn Enterprise. Adwuma-Adwuma. Also, what the Popache. Now, from Pawn Enterprise, a track wine. Aye, baby, and Crabatalia P. When now, but Trebia, send your bear, Bia, Benyabi on area, or Bia Benyabi. I want box. Ya told Refemo. Aha, I say, my mamma can't sana Mirefi. See, taxi drivers. Yes, Remo. Say, ye faka. A bit muntimon kakra. Yeah, muntimon kakra. And I send a be Mussolini Pacasano, yes, Remo. And yet, Obia and Casa anyhow, no man in Casa by heart. My man can't wait answer now. Mirror fee after the Makai. So about 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and drew 1 month, Papa Bia. Now me call total filling station side or me cook room, so I picked the car from level 360 junction on at the cook room. And I gave the driver 50 cedis. I mean 50 cedis no. I say and say you. And channel take no. And I say. Ultimately say I say Kobe it on. You get what I'm saying? Kobe it. And ya dey at 20 free 119 so. But you who say mark about that top worker crabby. I gave to the driver. But the man I say, boss will see the sat. And I'm say, oh boss, I didn't say until you. Ultimately say aha, she sheet now. Oh, the aisle. Say, Pepper and Nasicanae. Oh, the and ya, they are 20.
As I know,
yes. But to see they say new. I'm oh, sir. Where say until your team say, Massa, no, say, Chairman, relax. Sika me when you are 50 cities and I'm the amount. So when Jessica do filling station one man. One Kasabi, he kept quiet. So me, I was also in the car, I was pressing phone. Me a phone. We drew filling station one. He was still talking. I'm saying, oh, Messi, I first can mammy. Now, Messi Sanwo. Sikwa. I'm saying, yo, bossu. That I'm going to move here, and I'll be very honest with what I say. Because I say, yo, and name Jimmy Sa. And name Jimmy Sakra. First can mammy. So I was one J. Now, Messi San. Ewo pop attendant and the full attendant in the chain. Now, me mount 10 cities and 5 cities. Na Sammy. I am not saying what or how no 2 car and call it. I said that guy anywhere I go see him. Me who ni be. My channel so pan Okito tires a blue, black and yellow. My channel so pan me yao. Me yapan. I was like not like mama boy ni sika. Or say sika no ayemre into 50 cities thing yet. Me see okay. For mama na mense sound because you call total filling station. Let me change the money from the pump attendants. Almost some best sound. Siko I'm saying, yo, and even Jimmy Sao. I didn't hear me up. I was like, everyone, I are here for night at Tiwam. I are a Jomo Bola Sonia Diomobana. Say, like sometimes a bit wanted to see and a caca crow. So I was not lady be a card. So the lady was saying, oh, Brahman, if you know, ABO be national buffoo. I'm just so be a show before you do not need to transfer your aggressions on me. Don't transfer your aggressions on me. So Obiama Buffua. So Obiama Buffua, me passing ya my order. Me my order. The way the guy spoke to me, like, yo, me buffy pa, me buff, and no 2 car koi. So he didn't take the 50 cities. In fact, 1J, sika 2 car koi. Just only bufu. Say hey. So you know what happened? Mama was like, the boy no him na. Me no. After you be I say like she want more than the woman. I was like then I say me no. Me who need that? Me jina no 360. Na me jina honorable ko say akwa signboard na say. Ona na me jina car no. It is a won family a man family. I don't know about family we mama sika sika na yemre. Sika me na mitwa. Na so also unjimpo na mama say sampo mre nso so a ubuofu. Afọ omo ho nya say ebi oni mi. Ana ebia tese na lady ni kind obi ama ne buofu. Am so obi ama ne buofu. I didn't know about transfer and aggression say that mama so. Me dem my order. Sabe we kuma na hairdresser bi ejai no. Ampa o. Kuma na hairdresser bi ejai no. Ya. Ana ne puna bi e channel.
Otaja me dia.
Otaja ne sa wa ye jadi that na ye ne ehye me pa me nada. Ade na ye me ya na ma hyebo e nso. Bebe me say me I just say bia me see me view. Sa me tie. Me hyebo nim so ma hyebo nim so. Na sa before na for it was 3 cities in part the time. I think say about 3 weeks in. Some about 4 cities and check. About 3 weeks in. Oh me hu na I will just give him the 3 cities. How much is 3 cities? Me hu na basically me hu ni bia onje ameto ama no. I will just meto. What is 3 cities? I will be kasa say be rubbish. Sikwa yo. Ebi mu sane yatete ebi mu de enye kra. Na ubuofu a me de me ma he den a me u betiatia me. Se den. Se sika no man ano ayemre. Enti yo. Se sika no po atede a. I mean, atekra mpo a you can find a way and talk to me say boss sika na temenje. Oni me sika bi da me table so sisi a wo fi on 1 cedi. Driver bi na de ma me. O ma me 7 cedis. Me si for na me hu say oni do ye. Or the 1 cedi 2 ni share 5 cedis mo. And or the mammy. Miss Man share. Meaning say mama 10 cedis here. My folk I have 7 cedis. To man share no bottom. When I go home and use kind of bottom, I realize say sika drama and the mammy no. Any Utimi who say enkwala de di agro. I am edam odeda ko me ya wecho. Edam table so sisi a. Sasika me nim say me de koto ade enje. Me de folk enje bi am de ko wi enje. So it is in my room. Me fa obi na de mammy o ba me nipa me anything. Now mama 50 cedis a babe tia me. So tie the am so meaning ebi a oni mi ebi o tie show so wo tie 3 weeks ni it was a Wednesday me kai na ukwada pa so wo tie mi am bia me hu bia I will give you your 3 cedis bia me hu bia me ma share so me hu ni bia ebi kwampa ya sam ya je ne car graph ni
se ka ya info bia am I the man
sam spare drivers so spare drivers. Because obi on twist spare pa service on this and kwasa same way. I didn't ask me pa ene ma kan free mu emi de. Ena ma kan free me mu. Na me refia say na ma kan no. Ma kan so dey free mu. My uncle from Pond Enterprises so energy no. Ke ya akofo. From Pond Enterprises on krabata na dos bi ya wa chenwa dan kroma. Me pacho. Call na copy provisions. Copy biscuits, copy the upper show to be electrical gadgets near the Nina from Pond Enterprise. Call Mandarina Hotel as here, over drew her not from Pond Enterprise for her cosmetic shop on one side, and I'll say Liberty Lane. I couldn't story building. If I show and the opposite, and I'll be home from Pond Electricals and so on. I feel about new marketer from Pond Enterprise. I was shop with Honoma was 7 coffee or Honina. At your call, sell provisions now, but I will talk and I say electrical accessories. So on your ton TV or your ton fan or your ton DSTV decoder, your ton multi TV decoder, your ton BBA, IFI electricals or home bobs near the Nina. Ubanyabiato, Afe, Oba, Absa, Opsita, or and a new from Pond Enterprise shop on 24/7 shop on the edge man. And I'll pay we are numere. Baba near Honoma, your boy Jumanis, I have run ships. It's in the numere, and that's how much 2 a.m. crowd, 12 a.m. crowd. Ubanya BB at our new from Pond Enterprise. Baba Chofre was 0244 897 525 and 0206 953 0242 111236. So 45 minutes into 11. Just about 50 minutes. Find your party. That's what they say. Moku Jawule. Hard time. And then you bring as well level 360. And they are Friday. So level 360 party. No one says shall from Friday to Sunday. Yeah, Gina was and that young pong. Ebopa, I miss when I had the numerator down. My friend, because I know they sleep these days. I'm not the sleep at all. But anyways, let's get into it. It's a morning party on radio 93.3 of FM Kobina Kosti. Mouse said driver for never down be musubano. Mouse come don't talk plenty. That's how they behave sometimes. enyo mu nyina okay so see ebi musuba asemo individual friend saying ebi me are very respectful or said that make can say we treat taxi and just dress a time dress anyhow. So one man actually met me who's a taxi driver catch up the complaint and someone can hear me the pan because you know be a taxi no ma fa car net say obi one more sorry ya o twini sia no a sheni kabi no a twin otobi no a share chalote bi no a betra so o twi taxi masa treat taxi no as an office o treat taxi no
be what is the review me hu se o evitem hu no Ode
o fita hu no ye
ode
Baby ka fita hu no ye on dress
de be abedin hu
oju hands ase
ode
say oni ntade ana say
I don't know.
Oh, in that mechanic, obi no musuman o. Obi one more fi say car twini ye, say kobolo of Adwuma, say car twini ye, say den o, say den o. Masa say obi sorry no pa o dware ko tena office no. We hu say ho e na man nsa kona en kan say e na man adwane di, right? It's your dress ko tena o. We are taxi driver. O fan go for bebre tena o ka mu. Aya you motom, spro moto. Oh, ampa.
You say e be a garop.
Me for car be free manso station o. E dey board ha. Be di mi teacher do ni musa na be do ha. Akwa ti say no wa twa bi. Akasa bi no twa me blade. Masa. All your office o. Taxi na team no. That is your office. The office nini. The office no dinini. Obi wo no a singlet ni moto me fu on so pe yibi perfume ngu no na moto mi ye gwate nyank bosu o ya sa ye be shock an so yamfu bi o
ya kra na sek ya ebi se guy
who Brad David o be kasa o ko airport hey what fuck are this serious sa na was say sa na was Prof P sa I mean all these guys I know Stagger they want to watch Stagger or body no as well no hwe sana was say you dress send o senka o ye corporate adwuma over dress yakọ no o taxi no offer market for offer bankers offer teachers offer nurse offer president offer ngofo bebre nti o tena ka no ma hu spray no enya huam bosu enya huam on aden
I'll come back.
Oh, ama mutin so funu say dread na person buy your dread
yeah go baby
corona na person ya bo dey hear say why neat na to car ni mo obi an can say for car nye dey person here but you neat na trim because oh your office oh na ma won sa kowa no
obi won so na twa na car no neat pa
oh twa car no neat na woni pa dia sebi won ni woni a car no enko ba bia ni pa dwara nkasa so what this the animal no guy office oh why a car now ti animal you say hey driver ready oh baby dress you
oh na say
yeah baby dress you or down for driver for baby but one be na almost say brand no one be na almost say brand no one be utim sa kwa na moto utim so ko da ga ni chen cross solid kra musio chamo musio
ala ba sa
ko da ga ni chen cross ko jali o na ba tra ni mu na wa da be fire ayan so ye code mama ndi anopa no asay dey musio sa asay dey say bosu aya spray ko from Point Enterprise ko umotuom ko to blade ko yi umotuom na de gugu hobi ani ade o te ka ni ma wanga sa we say o feel energy no say driver yi pan dey one say na say ya nkofo from dropping umotuom di on from ko fa me man free school ba on frel cause motuom no kla be fie na kata chenkwala no ni nya umotuom nko aden bozu guy na oye rough chere me za no sa o oye rough chere me sa no sheni kabi e na atade red blue black bi red bi da ha bi ni ma she boy ni ma she nzu oye tuntun bi za no ba mi oye tuntun che me de na fe ni de ha se On the more serious note, on the more serious note, on the 4 boys per life, and in the year, I mean, no doubt. Driver for no so 80%. The Omuni, or what tear Jumana say. Now, I want them one on my sale brand, you know. Who now who's a oil drivers in here? Obi credit him say Charlotte. Charlotte, Bluebird in I have police for insurance and come here police. I mean, who do barrier? I mean, what's for boss with my mission dressing? Wow, I you to now boxer go on the idea. No, who best bad you kill? Massa, yeah, the honey now. Nkofo complain some with you, ya nkofo nya migraine. Ofo obi ka onya si form pet no nya migraine. Na moto na ode akwa bi di mo ma no me nya kasa no me boni di. Nesse padia. Me nya kasa me boni di. Akwa lo, da bia wa wo. Da bia wa ya fine. Akwa ntwa mi. And that manager said me ko ya dey was snake man. Me do bus stop wa o ko hin na si me yanko ye wo su me yanko ye me fo me yanko ye sa me ko a o de ka me fo ka fo sa ko alo be wifi sa ya no te tangu ka ni mu serious o ma fo the car 3 times me fo be ni mu bonta ono ko na tika am pa ono ko na tika ni mu no te tangu ka ni mu. What is our fishy woman to have a true here? Now that I will you. I quit Takwa. That's serious. Hey, serious. I don't know. What it was there, sir? Obian for Kalana wife, Marco. Or here, Obia my Marco. Oh, what you me ma tell me na kan one time. Ah, boy, akoya dey. What did go baby na? On to fresh na zuzungu ka ni muzo. Oh, e do as. Akwa na tano do. Me dru anu ma say, o kwa na say David me nyanko e. Me hwi atan e wi akete we am cosnet. Manager aso mami. Me fo ka no. Too much. It's not me other brother David, you know. Go for be one who say, and there's this guy. Me name the Dean. Me busa the Dean da. But on so pe call ye. On so need the call. On so my phone a car several times. But we are but very neat pa. On there. Yeah. On the Yaris no ye normal Yaris we be. Need the stretch kakra. Ewa. On sa Yaris near see my mad you know. And you be on watch. Na guy ni or dress pan bo wa shoe bi or dress on there
shoe
yeah or dress you or dress pan ba no ba phone ka bia no so ye ko no this is a man chelo ba phone minim ni din on so there near blue black. Oh yeah, but the blue black a bit deep, a doom kakra. Oh yeah, me for card ya. Me for card me di kan chia no ma hwe wonim. Se minimum wa. Minimum wa na ho na ma start guy. Next time me ja kwa na me na me fa no. Oh sa level no. Yeah, ba me for na utwa me blade dia. Me so next time me ja how ba me mfu bio. Me wo twem gra. And then me ja big girl ta wana big girl other side no. You know how one come drugstore na one friend is a bedi and I'm bedi. And him one of my say guy be the car be show. Who say bedi signboard don't say bu. So I jamba so. What the crowd. What be no be the kun si kwan no what I won't call car no ma kwan na fine wa sa wa bo. Wa bo. Asa make a true story obi o kwan obi a was there. Na area.
That dey come around.
Obi o obi a kai. Sa wa bo no pi taxi no. And I said, then you free or none ever. Or do one now. Like I said again, or transfer in you. Or the bed drew a bit of corny signboard linear guy. Only if you can, mass, how I have fine. Or big cow, or big taxi, or matter for you, Juma. Why, you're fine. Now, wait, I mean, I'm a cow now. Boss who family key, mammy. My Jimmy Q. Because I know how lucky can I anyone them one wine. But I never be big. Miracle straight car, now the key number before. Lucky saying can ya ha and baby a director papa ewo ho na Oh, can be tough form. Can be tough form. Say bam. One woo. What babusia for ka. Oh, a girlfriend na. Obesu. Oh, mammy besu na me be you. One wako trebi. Now 2 weeks now the chicken. Oh, now say in the house out. Pon you wanna call you be? Ah. Everyone wants to mass shabu. Pon you manu na corre. Na o ya kwada woni so to a na wo hu se why okay no. Na wasa si road. But man twabi na anya fine na fam me senko for dokon. Obi fan to dokon so that no coffee o dokon be 18. Say dokon na peche. You no coffee o sa. Sa de koy. Mame bo no coffee o so ba so. Ye kwan so Pentecost road wo. No coffee say wa obeti ma bo an bottle bi an bo an because all sesan hwe agu bottle man that feel kwan ni na. Yeah. Inti no coffee o. Big shout and come out. No coffee baby I will show you and big shout and come out. Wa obeti ma bo an so hu na man 5 cities man 10 cities man 20 bi na of am property yeah. Yeah got to us level 360. Got to us level 360. Chale us come in comment no.
Ayana. Ayana 26 July.
July ton. Okay. Na da bena me no be comment ngasa. Sa wo somebody can call edi da ho ansa. Can say?
Na ne da.
I see edi can go property jira. And I no be friend me say level 11 day.
11:59.
Omo my flyer di me issue.
Sa
obi the friend catch
me hu ye
sa obi friend
me kwa
na me ofie no bi friend chale yes wo ba when you na me madao oh me to was see na mo bo di grass o ba me o ba him madam me ofie me da ho no me ma baby a o se o me tinti na me ba no me mate dada se o ba na me me ni mo bi ho ampa me ni mo bi the last time we call ho no yakoto lady bi wo okay
yeah me ka
me no one na senior other guys and ope minimum bi a wo no ndi ade na mo di me issue me do me so mo call to zenia you guys friends di guys on to onye serious no by force hits or penny they be he wants to be in a trend you know wow what is ozi wo si ba homia said they ma me hwehwe letter na me kan kakre bi na Ochina monjo any was showbiz 923 mo betini ya. Or say unauthorized use of DJ Azonto's fan form by Vice President Dr. Mahudu Baumie's campaign. Adenya omo the Rolls Royce family management of the has deeply omo serious yeah ko. And so I discuss on showbiz 923. You from again me champion Kobina Boate from Kobina Costi. Brand part the perfect gentleman.